This is how to access the original logo of any company for free. Welcome to part 1 of Canva Secret Apps you might just love. Open Canva and hit the plus button. Select the appropriate size. Go to Apps. Then Search button. Type in Brandfetch. Select this application. Go to Search button and type any company name. Now scroll up and choose the best logo of your choice. You can download this or even add it to any design. Sit back and watch how I added more. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do me a favor to like, subscribe and share with a friend.